Ilmanok serves as the Grand Vizier of the Subakar dynasty within the Jericho Reach. Among the most senior officers of Pharaoh Amenhotep during the War in Heaven, as a blood relative of his master, few among the Subakar dynasty were destined for greatness, alike to Ilmanok. Yet he was not alone among his peers to share blood ties to his master, as such was the case of his most bitter rival, Ahotep. Awakening from the Great Sleep individually by Ahotep, alike to the other high-ranking overlords of the dynasty, Ilmanok was disturbed to his core at the sight of his pharaoh in a comatose state within his stasis tomb. Swearing fealty to the overlord regent, Ahotep, Ilmanok's loyalty would only last until his pharaoh had returned to his rightful place as ruler of Subakar. Though attributed the title of Grand Vizier, Overlord Ilmanok's pedigree among his people is now entirely devoid of authority or influence. Alike to many within his dynasty, their awakening changed their hierarchy and power structure beyond all recognition due to the manipulations of the Overlord regent, Ahotep. A member of the royal court of Subakar, the rigid yet convoluted ruling body of the Hollow Sun see to the rule of the dynasty as their pharaoh, Amenhotep, the Crimson Scythe, lays in a state of dormancy. As the most senior overlord of the royal court and chief administrator of the Hollow Sun, Ilmanok bears the authority to command all lesser tomb worlds within the domain of Subakar, yet rarely gets to exert such power due to the location of such holdings being unknown. Their location locked away within the insane mind of their slumbering pharaoh. In reality, Ilmanok is an administrator of an unfulfilled promise. Seeking to prevent Ahotep from ascending as pharaoh of the dynasty, Ilmanok hopes to prevent his retrieval of the command protocols from within the mind of the Crimson Scythe. Stymieing the Overlord Regent's efforts thus far, the Grand Vizier must take more drastic actions if he is to prevent Ahotep's ascension through attrition. Leading the legions of the Subakar dynasty in battle, Ilmanok quests to find the lost tomb worlds of their domain in order to command their forces without the knowledge of Ahotep. Building his own separatist army within his dynasty's ranks, his tireless work, though hidden from Ahotep, has not gone unnoticed by the Death Watch Astartes. The most active of all the overlords of Subakar, his retinue of Lich Guard are vigilant of the relentless strike forces deployed to sunder his ambitions. Though such efforts have proven to be a delaying tactic at best, for the roused legions under Ilmanok may one day grow to a size capable of usurping the regent of the Hollow Sun.